Hala! Jay! Wag! Nag-spray siya, guys. Nag-spray siya talaga. Grabe! Yung mga legs ko, yung buhok, nagsisitayuan na. Okay. Ayoko na, guys. Pwedeng mag-quit na. Baka mamaya buhay ito, ha. Pag ito tumalon, Angel, ha. Pag ito tumalon.
Can someone be wise without experiencing much of life?
Again?
Can someone be wise without experiencing much of life?
Whether you like it or not, you're gonna strive and you're gonna face your life, eh. So, that's it. That's my answer.
What is...
Shucks. Teka lang, kinakabahan ako.
What's the most important life lesson you learned the hard way?
Partner. Sa pagkakaroon ng partner. First that really knocked me off is yung idealism ng love. Yung wag kang mag-give up. Yung blinded ka, which is very common for young girls like me when I was 21. I thought that's the idea of love. Don't give up. To the point na mali na, pinapasukan mo. Next is, minsan hindi mo nakikita yung hindi naman talaga para sa'yo. Binibend mo yung standard mo para sa kanila and you call it love, but it's not. It's actually, you don't have any boundaries. You don't choose yourself. Yun yung second stage ko sa love. Oo. Pangatlo is yung self-worth. Akala ko, choose ka ng choose ng iba. Yun yung, because you love them, you will keep on choosing them. Mali pala. Choose yourself. Yun pala ang true love. Kasi when you choose yourself, pag love ka niyan, they will still love you.